Assalamualaikum my dear friends, today I would like to discuss a very amazing and confusing circuit in a very shortcut way. Okay, so my intention is that you have to play with the subject like physics, because if you don't play with the subject like physics, it is going to play with your lives. Yes. So okay students, what I'm going to say here is he's asking us to find out what is the time period of this block which is going to oscillate up and down in multiple pulleys and single spring, and multiple threads are there here. What is a simple shortcut method to solve the problem like this? Now just go ahead and see here. Anyhow, you all know that the tension acting on the block which I am going to show here is taken as tension T here. And this tension is divided among the two strings at this place, that is T by 2 and T by 2. Okay. Again, if you observe here, one more pulley is there which is attached to this end. This T by 2 is again divided into 50%, that is T by 4 and T by 4. Therefore, it is going to be T by 4 here, and here it is going to be T by 4. Okay, so with this it is clear that tension at the block is considered to be just T here, that is T here, whereas the tension at the spring is going to be T by 4. Then you have to find out what is the effective spring constant. For that, a shortcut formula is effective spring constant is equal to K times of tension on the block by tension on the spring whole square. Okay, this is a universal shortcut method used by almost all the physicians. Okay, but this will help you a lot and save a lot of time. Let us go ahead now. So K effective is nothing but K times of tension on the block, which is going to be T by T, and tension on the spring is going to be T by 4 whole square. So TT gets cancelled here. So K effective will be getting here 16 times of K, because 16 reciprocal, 4 reciprocal comes to the numerator, going to be 16 here, 4 just 16. Then after that, you all know that the basic formula for time period of a spring is nothing but T is equal to 2 pi root of M by K effective. Therefore, T is equal to 2 pi root of M by K effective is nothing but 16K. Okay, so this is going to be your solution. Hope you have understood this simple and sweet shortcut method. With this, it is clear that the correct option is going to be C. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, baby.